A year ago, the RBI issued in-principle licenses to 10 small banks. Today, 3 of these banks are already launching branches pan-India and to cater to a rural population that's turning smartphone savvy. A number of these microfinance institutions have begun enhancing their digital platforms. CNBC TV 18's Jude Sannith logs into this new trend.
Just last week, Chennai-based microfinance firm Equitas became India's new kid on the banking block. With a mission to take banking to India's villages, approximately 25% of Equitas' 412 branches are in rural pockets that have no discernible banking presence. But it's the era of technology, and that means new age solutions to make banking more accessible. And that's where fintech companies come in.
We're able to offer better access, better service, and also improve overall the operational efficiency part. This has been our focus, and that's where we are able to offer all of them in a ready-to-go mode for the small finance bank.
The digital platform now comes even before these MFIs become full-fledged banks. Ujjivan, Equitas and Mudra, for instance, have logged on to banking suite Appzillion to make things click. CNBC TV 18 learns that banks stand to save 50% on marketing and operational spends by digitizing rural operations. This includes basic services like fund transfers, with plans to digitize insurance and mutual fund schemes down the road. But some banks want to equip their own business correspondents with this tech before reaching out to rural customers.
Over time, as we expect the clients also to start shifting from physical to digital, the BC will become the central nodal point to train the customers on how it is done. And we expect that over a period of time, the customer can then bypass the BC and probably directly deal with the bank on the technology platform.
Forget the banking sector. The RBI's decision to license smaller banks has sent Indian technology companies into hyperdrive. However, it will take a while for customers to latch on to this new revolution. How quickly that happens will depend largely on how well connectivity in these villages can match up to smartphone penetration. In Chennai, this is Jude Sannith.